Hello great viewers, this video is an important one for all my subscribers in order for you to be safe from fraudsters and scammers. I had a call from one fraudster and he was claiming that they are creating a group for police members. Then I am a member, so they want me to send a code which was sent as SMS on my phone to him. So you could see the code or the message on the screen right now. And I was a bit surprised, so I decided to delay his time, and I was aware of what he wanted. This is not the first time I have been called by such people, and normally when they call you, they have all these things that they say, and some of the things that will lure you into giving them what they want. So many friends have been hacked by this strategy. I have received a lot of messages which tells me, oh Sidako, my account have been hacked and all that. And when you realize the kind of people who their accounts have been hacked, it makes it a very surprise one. So I decided to make this video so that we'll be able to find a way to avoid these fraudsters who keeps on calling us. So this video is just to alert all of us, and I'll also show you a way that you'll be able to avoid these people, as well. So without wasting much time, just take a listen to the conversation and then I'll be right back.
The numbers are.
You say WhatsApp account is being registered on a new device.
The numbers over there are.
The numbers?
Yeah, please.
The WhatsApp code?
Yeah, the code.
Okay, so you need the code?
Yes.
But you can send me the link so that I add up on the page or what?
We see, I don't know whether you are active on the page today. I'm an officer of the law, the police screening page. So some people are posting some scam activities there. So we are eradicating those people. So we adding the new members and grown-up people.
Okay.
Yeah, the numbers are
554.
Yeah.
598.
598. Please, your name.
Is that?
Please, your name.
Isaac Entry.
Isaac Entry.
Yes, please.
Please, the number again.
554.
554.
Yeah. 598.
598.
Yes, please.
Please, the number is incorrect. Check it well.
The number is incorrect.
Yeah, the code you have gotten is incorrect.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me check.
Okay.
That's the same thing I have here.
Mention it again, let me hear.
554.
554.
Yeah.
And what?
598.
Oh, okay. I don't know if it is the network, so let me cross check and get back. Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, have you received a new one?
Yes, please.
Yeah, the numbers are.
The numbers are
Umami
I'm wasting all your time on this one. You are a big fool. You are very stupid. You are asking me to give you my WhatsApp code so that you.
So guys, you could see from or hear from or listen from the conversation what transpired between myself and the guy. Very hilarious for that matter, and this is what I'm trying to say. So we should all be careful of our accounts, not only on WhatsApp. If you're also using Facebook, I've been receiving messages on Facebook as well where people accounts have been hacked. I will make a video on Facebook how to secure your Facebook account as well later. So I just want you to be very aware or much aware of what these people have been doing. So in the audio you could see I was giving him a certain code. The code I was giving, I was mixing the codes up. it wasn't the right code. So whenever we get a message like this, don't be too quick to give them the code. The code that they are giving to you is a passport or a visa or a way they will be able to hack your WhatsApp account. And these people have been using the WhatsApp account for dubious means. They will use it to send series of messages which are spam to your groups. So let's assume you are a church member or you are a business person. When they get access to your WhatsApp account, they send across a lot of messages. People will believe that message, and if you are not careful, they will either pay money or huge money to him or her without you being aware. So we need to take our WhatsApp security very, very important. Yes. So if anybody wants to add you to a group, all that the person must do is that let the person forward the group link to you. Tell the person you want the group link and you want to join. That is the best way. So if there's no other way that the person cannot send you the link, forget about that. Don't mention any code to the person, because that is a way to hack you. So I'm just going to show you a quick one how you'll be able to secure your account. There's something on WhatsApp that we call two-step verification. So in order to avoid all these issues of we being hacked, and to tighten our security, just go to your WhatsApp account. So the moment you go to your WhatsApp account, make sure you go to the menu, hit on settings, and then when you hit on settings, you look for accounts. So under account section, go to two-step verification, and then when you get to here, make sure you tap on enable. So you tap on enable, so enable it. Now here you input a PIN, a 6-digit PIN, which is going to secure your WhatsApp account. Just put in a digit that you remember. So I'm going to input mine, you confirm, and then you enter your email, so that if anything, they will send a message to your email. So I'm going to enter my email and I'll click on next. Confirm your email as well and click on save. The settings are being applied. You say two-step verification is enabled. So that is basically how you'll be able to secure your account. So let's be careful so that we don't fall into this kind of scam. And then please, if you know you have ever fallen victim for this, that is somebody has called you and the person requested for your code. Somebody has called you and requested for your code, and then you are a victim. Just leave a comment if you have fallen a victim before, and then share with us how you went with that. Yes, in the comment section. Please, if you are new here, this is Cedar Culture Club. Be part of the family by subscribing to our channel, and make sure you hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload new content. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I love you. See you in the next episode. I'm out.